Heckfield traffic, Bravo Tango Alpha, go around Heckfield. Fuck, that was massive. Full flaps. That was get through those trees, fucking hell. A bit quicker, a bit quicker, a bit quicker. I'll get it down. The fuck happened then?
Where are you off to, Stan?
Circuits, mate, circuits.
Enjoy, she's a bit windy today.
Yeah, I got caught on that Saturday gust as well.
Have fun.
Heckfield traffic, Bravo Tango Alpha, entering and rolling, runway 28 for circuits, Heckfield. Box check. Okay. Alright, rolling. Speed's coming up. .23 knots. Brakes, center carriage, magnetos, pumps. Pumps are on. Heckfield traffic, Bravo Tango Alpha, turning base, runway 28, touch and go Heckfield. .25 knots, pretty steep entry, speed on the rudders, very steep entry. .76 knots, .70 knots, now still idle, clear. Currently doing 110 knots and I've just pulled the gas back. That's 500. Outbound traffic helicopter, Sierra Whiskey is airborne out of SeaWorld. In the left turn, we're across the cove, SeaWorld grass, northbound over water. 500. Outbound. It's getting lifted over those trees, as expected. 75 knots. Don't have speed, it's at 82 now. Coming down. 70, dissipating quickly. And start your flare. Heckfield traffic, Sling 8668, crossing 1836 Heckfield. That's to idle at 83 knots, my side. 24 knots on the nose, so not as bad as last time, but we're still going to fill these updrafts, right? There's 80 knots now. Coming in high is definitely the better option. Staying in second stage. Alright, that's overspeeding now. That's at 85, full flaps now, coming in. 83, 83, 83. Full crosswind now. Hot rudder. Yeah, so there's a full crosswind coming out of the windsock there.
We're initially tracking north and making a left turn over to a Norris Port, 1,500 for Ravina Southport.
Bow's idle, and we're at 80 knots. Big kick now in the pants. There it is, we got lifted massively. Still at 80 knots. Tricky. Full flap now. 85, full flap. Got to hold it high. And we're just getting lifted massively. Is it going to sink? Just getting lifted, getting lifted, getting lifted.
X2 traffic Diamond Yankee Tango, Whiskey 2 mile to the east, 2,500, on descent 1,500, then track to the north, X-field.
Heckfield traffic, Bravo Tango Alpha, go around Heckfield. Heckfield traffic, Bravo Tango Alpha, turning base, runway 28 full stop, Heckfield. Full flap now. Holding 85. 83. There it is. Plenty of bumps. Start that flare. Heckfield traffic, Bravo Tango Alpha, clear of all my ones, Heckfield. Well, I think that that proves, yes, I really get blown around. Yeah. Can't really predict it.